In this video, I will show you how to pass values to the template in your Flask project. Just open your project. I am using Visual Studio Code uh, and to pass your value, use a variable and a variable which will be passed to the template. For example, here I am using data and I will save my value in the data. And to access your value in the template, just use double parenthesis and your variable name. As you can see, my variable name is data. Now reload your project and here my value is printed. If you want to pass multiple value, you can pass multiple value too. For example, I will use course and here I will pass course equals to course, and to access your value use the same syntax course course. As you can see, the value is passed in your template. You can pass either a list, dictionary or tuple. If you want to pass multiple values, for example, you want to print a table, you can pass list or dictionary. I will show you an example for list. I will save the value in list. For example, name Rehan, course Flask, and topic is how to pass value to the template. And now I will pass my list to the variable name data. So now my value is in the variable data. You can directly print your list here, for example, like this: Rehan and Flask. All the values will be printed in the form of list, or you can use index. For example, at index 0 there is my name. uh, you can also print multiple element with the help of for loop. And to use for loop, syntax is like this: for value in data, and use in for here, in for, and this is your body. In body you can print your value. Syntax for body is like this: double parenthesis. Now run your project and you can see values are printed. Here you can use HTML paragraph. So data is printed in the form of para. So this is how you can pass a list to the template. Similarly, you can pass dictionary or tuple. So this is how you can pass your values from your Python file to your template in Flask.